All right, an interesting story I have to get Scholer's take on. Maybe we have to say it quietly. Citadel and BlackRock are among the companies supporting a bid for a new national stock exchange based in Texas. I'm looking around to see if anyone's concerned about this. According to Chairman and Chief Executive James Lee, the Texas Stock Exchange has already raised more than $120 million and aims to begin trading in 2025 and host listings in 2026. The Wall Street Journal reports the organization wants to be more CEO-friendly and target companies that are based in the state like AT&T, ExxonMobil, and of course, Tesla.
Yes.
The latter of which really stands out to me because what Tesla is doing to try to maneuver in terms of regulation and taxes and things of the like. But how are you going to get companies to move to a Texas-listed exchange? Would you get that? Unless you're going to save money, why would you do that?
Well, my guess is the business policies, the business taxes, that whole infrastructure in the state of Texas is very enticing. It's a big reason that we saw Elon Musk take Tesla to Texas. If the state offers incentives to list on this exchange, which we don't know of yet, that would be one factor at play here. But it's not that hard to start up an exchange. I mean, we broadcast from the stock exchange. The NASDAQ is another bell-ringing ceremony that we show every day. There are actually many exchanges out there, dozens of exchanges. They just don't have the traditional opening and closing bell ceremony. So to that end, Citadel wants to move to Florida where there's more business-friendly practices. Now, both of these companies, the biggest financial managers out there, see more business-friendly terms, I believe, in Texas.
That I completely understand, saving on taxes, but that's not the responsibility of an exchange. That's state income taxes. I understand why you'd be incorporated in Texas or Florida, Citadel and Tesla, but why you'd list there, that doesn't impact your tax bill.
Well, we could
They don't have the
see
control of federal nor state income taxes. That's where you're incorporated.
We could see whether or not there would be incentives to list on an exchange like that.
I would think Uncle Sam would have something to say about that.
Well, of course it would. I'm sure it would escalate in the courts. But I'm not surprised to see it because Citadel moved its own headquarters, one of the biggest fund managers out there, from Chicago,
Ken Griffin,
Illinois, a very blue state, to Miami in Florida during the pandemic. So I'm not surprised to see CEOs try to hunt for more business-friendly terms.
No doubt. We agree there. I just can't see the tax incentives based on an exchange, but time will tell. Some serious backing there in BlackRock and Citadel.